Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I'm so glad to see you. Okay, let's begin our lesson. Today is our new grammatical theme, the simple past. Learning objective of the lesson 10.5.1. Plan, write, edit and proofread work at the theme consolidation of the theme. We use past simple tense when we talk about completed actions in the past, present, future. For example, I washed my car yesterday. She ate pizza last night. Remember, regular and irregular verbs. Turn regular verbs to the past by adding ed or d. Regular verb walk, past simple walked. Want, wanted. Help, helped. Decide, decided. Agree, agreed. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus verb in past tense. Complement. Sally visited us last week. I ran in the park. Negative sentences. Subject plus didn't plus verb in base form. Complement. Sally didn't visit us last week. I didn't run in the park. Kinds of questions in past simple. Yes, no questions. Did plus subject plus verb in base form plus complement. Did Tom visit you last week? Did Tom visit you last week? Informative questions. Where wet plus did plus subject plus verb in base form complement. Where did you run last year? Where did you run last year? Ready for doing an activity? Okay. Your home task: complete the following sentences with the past simple tense of the verb give. Home task exercise number 2 at page number 14. Use the past simple in the sentences. So, students, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.